Hi, welcome viewer. Today I will teach you how to edit your own photo videos. So follow my instructions. First you need to download Power Director. First, make the title and design it. Make sure you choose the best one for your video. Click this button, then this one. Type the title you want. After that, click the pencil one, and title designer, then edit it. After that you put all the pictures that you want for your video. Then put transitions that you want in every photos. Then after that choose the best song for you video. Cut the video. Then press the pencil one, and turn on the fade out. After that create your outro, and now produce it. And finally your video is done.